So thank you so much, B Residences, for the token chat. Imagine this entire floor is exclusive only for the unit owners of Condo Vision. Every unit has its own parking space. So this is subdivision type of unit inside a condominium, and that's why we call it Condo Vision. Finally, it's open na, the lights are open na. And bugnaw na sad kay sa sulod, no? Igo na siya nauga atong mga singot. Sige. Miss Brianna, this is one of the highlights sa B Residences in Lahog. This is their condo vision, and excited na kayo kung musulod. This is a smart, it has smart features, mao na siya. And upon entering, kiyo na miss, inyo habi ani. Okay. So, ali, dayon kamo, kani siya ba kay, this is, okay, mao ni ang katong smart feature na, unsa ni siya? So, sa lights?
Yes.
Okay, so, ma-adjust nimo, bali ma-turn on and off nimo through
Even if
this
naka
one.
here.
Even if nara ko diri,
Yeah.
on na nako ang kwarto.
Yeah.
2 stories, and then the bedrooms are upstairs. What's on the ground floor is your living room, your dining, ang kitchen, adire. Imagine this one. So, if hilig kag luto, dako kayong kusina. See? It's very spacious. Plus, pwede pa dyan, gutom na kay ka din na nakamatog dining. No? You have your breakfast nook. And then, this one is the access that you were telling us earlier, ma'am, no? Katong the other access sa maid's quarter. Plus, you have this laundry area. Okay. And the maid's quarter. So, tanawa Ives. Hindot kayo. Ang double deck pa lang is so nice. And then they have their own CR.
Yes.
So, toilet and bath for the mga kauban sa balay. Okay. And then they have also this. But what I like is dako gid inyong kitchen, no? So, pwede ka makabake. No? Makabutang, And then this is included. Kani siya. So, you have a lot of storage sa kitchen area. Okay. Now, let's go. This is the dining. Okay. And this is the first bedroom or your guest bedroom. So, kagwapa. And it has a view of the outside of the condominium. And the guest room has its own toilet and bath. Oh, this one. Spacious gihapon kaayo inyuhang shower. And rain shower ang inyuhang gina-provide. This is hotel-like. And then this is the powder room.
It's the common bathroom.
Yeah. And then you have here storage, no? And then we will go up to check on the bedrooms. I believe there are 2 bedrooms, Miss, no? Sa babaw. Okay. And since this is B Residences, kaning wood inyong gigamit is from Bourbon wood. Okay. This is also owned by the same owner sa B. So this is the master's bedroom.
No, the master's.
Okay, awayon na to ang masters. Okay. Uy, dili ni masters? Uy, dako kayo siya. Uy, I really like this. No, nice kaayo. So this isn't the master's bedroom yet. But this is very big na. So excited na kumutan ako kung sa kadako ang master's bedroom, no? This is from Living Ideas. Now, if you like the furnitures that you see, they also own it from Living Ideas. Let's get inside sa master's bedroom. Huy, dako kaayo ang katri. This is king. And then your view is ang parking. And then you have your own walk-in closet. Wow. Huy, nice kaayo. As in. So nice. And then from the walk-in closet, you have your toilet and bath. Kani gyud mas pinadako. Mas dako jud siya. You see? Pwede magdungan imong tulo ka gagmayng bata. But if I would like to buy this one, miss, the finished unit, can I install a kanang bathtub? Pwede, no? Okay. It's so nice. Tana? So thank you so much, B Residences, for the token. Charot lang. In terms of floor area, miss, this is roughly
This is 166.87.
166. Okay. And ang price will start at 36?
30 M.
30M. Masindot ni, di ba? But this one for big family good. Because you have, if dili nini mo siya himuong guest room, kaning dire, pwede man siya, or but room for your kanang sa imong anak. Or if you have an elderly, di ba? This is nice. Kay, dili na siya musaka-saka pa dyan dito sa babaw. And plus, na siya own toilet and bath. So, kagwapa. Gwapa dyan kayo inyong kusina. Okay. Ang question is, napay nahabilin, miss?
Yes, boss. We still have 5 units.
5 units left. Okay. And then, this is open for terms sa payment, no?
Yes.
Okay, so you have a payment plan for this. Not necessarily na spot good. You have to take a look at this. This is the balcony. So each unit sa Condo Vision has its own balcony. If you would want to have fresh air, gawas lang ka sa imuhang balcony. Okay, so if you are interested in any of the special units that we showed you today, you have to contact me so I would be able to assist you in giving you more information, most especially the payment plan that B Residences offered to you. Okay, so my Viber and WhatsApp number will be flashed in this screen, or you can also message me through my email. I will also be placing it in the comment or in the screen. So this is a one-of-a-kind property in Cebu City. It's walking distance to Cebu IT Park, a few minutes away to Cebu Business Park. This is the Condo Vision by B Residences.